In this video, I'm going to be going over how to write a rate law for a given reaction. So if we were given the reaction A plus B goes to C, in order to write the rate law for this reaction, we need to show how the rate of reaction is equal to the concentration of our products. So what I'll do is write the rate of reaction is equal to, I must include this little lowercase k times the concentration of each one of my reactants. I do not include C in my rate law because it is a product and you only include the reactants in your rate law. So this entire thing would be considered the rate law for this reaction. A rate law is just a simple way of showing how the rate of reaction is going to depend on the concentration of our given reactants. Now, the last term that we need to talk about in this rate law is going to be little k. So this k is going to be called our rate constant. It is a proportionality constant that tells us how the concentration of our reactants is going to affect the rate of our reaction depending on their concentrations. So if we have a large rate constant, so large K, this means that we have a fast reaction. If we have a small k, this is a slow reaction. One thing to note about our rate constant, it is temperature dependent. So as we increase our temperature, the value of K is also going to go up. So rate laws are pretty simple. You simply need to write the rate of reaction is equal to K times the concentration of your reactants. So just to do one more example, if we were to have A plus B plus C goes to D plus E, the rate of reaction, you might see reaction just written as RXN equals K times the concentration of A times the concentration of B times the concentration of C. So this would be the rate law for this reaction. Again, little k is our rate constant. It relates the concentration of our reactants to the rate of our reaction. And again, a rate law is just a way of showing the overall picture of what's going on, how little k times our concentration of reactants is going to be equal to our rate of reaction. So this is how you write a rate law, and it is very helpful when we are given a reaction, I should say, so that we can keep track of the rate of our reaction and the concentration of our reactants.